Gabriel Tetteh is my name, and I come from Oborpah in the eastern region, Lower Manyakrobo. I left my village when I was in class 3 due to the fact that there was no junior high school in my village. The highest education one could ever have from this village is primary 6. What motivated you to study hard since your predecessors have been there and you didn't follow their path to be one of the farmers in the community?
I came in touch with this powerful quote, knowledge is power. And then growing up too, I got to know about Nelson Mandela's quote, which is says that education is one weapon which you can use to change the world. And so if I look back from the things going on around me and I know that knowledge is power and education is something we can use to change the world, then why don't I learn hard so that I can challenge the status quo and then come out with something very beautiful and great? That is one thing that motivated me to learn hard.
Is your call on the government?
I would want the government to do is what I can say is that you see there are no school. The school is not really good. They don't have ICT lab. They don't have library. And then even the community day school that were being built is has been stored since NDC left power in 2016. And so I think that if the government could do something about the community day school, it would help the other people who are here who will not have enough funds to go to boarding school or to go and rent in another town to um, go to school. It will help them to be able to have access to secondary education. I think so. The government should focus on providing the library and then ICT lab because the people learn without computers. So if they can get computers in the school and then the community day school be completed for them.
What have you learned from your past life?
What I've learned is that God is a factor in everything that we do. But aside that, determination overcomes challenges. So in my past life, I've realized that when you are determined to do something or you put your mind to do something, regardless of the circumstances and anything that you face, you are able to come out successfully. And so I know that God is a factor. For me, God has been a factor since day one. But one thing that has helped me is determination. So determination is something that I have learned and it has grown with me. So for my past life, you need to be determined.
From here, what next?
So now that I'm done with the university, I actually want to continue again because the aim is to get a PhD. And so now the next step for me is to apply for a couple of scholarships to do my master's and then PhD afterwards. So the bigger picture is to attain to get a PhD and then to be a lecturer in the university.
Now we have Gabriel's mom with us who has something small to say about Gabriel. Mommy, good afternoon. She said since his early age, he moved to the auntie's place in the city, Accra, to continue his education. He is very humble, very respectful, and hardworking. He wake up very early in the morning to sweep the whole house, and he also go to fetch water to fill the entire pot in the house before going to school. On our way through the community, we met the father of Gabriel. We decided to say hello to him. The father is so proud about Gabriel for making him a proud father, and also lifting the entire family from grass to grace. The father doesn't know what to say. According to him, he said he believes in God and all praise goes to God, and he urged everyone to believe sincerely in God because he knows God can do it, even though they have never expected what they are seeing today, that their son Gabriel can graduate with a first class degree from the university. It's so amazing.